Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to upload high quality videos on YouTube. There is a special setting that you have to set in advance. Let's launch the YouTube app first. Then I want you to go and click on the lower right corner where you see your profile icon. Then I want you to go ahead and click on the gear icon in the top right corner. When you're at the settings, I want you to click on Uploads. Do you see this? It's almost at the end of the menu. You want to click on Uploads. And here you have the option number 1, which is upload quality. You want to make sure that you set this to 1080p, okay? This is very, very important because even if sometimes you have, let's say, not so good internet connection, Wi-Fi or data, YouTube, if you didn't preset this as an automatic, YouTube will default uploading your video on the lower quality because it will take so much more time if you didn't opt in for 1080p. So in this way, no matter how good is the internet, when you have this set as a default, you will always have uploaded at 1080p. This is why you can see over here that you have also the option to upload over Wi-Fi only, which is not recommended in my opinion, simply because you're limiting yourself only through the Wi-Fi connection, which is again more powerful, but you don't have access at the Wi-Fi connection when you're outside of your home, right? When you're outside of your home, you're only using data, and data is not so fast, data is limited, and we all know there's plenty of limitations. But if you're outside and you really want to upload the video, you want to make sure that the video is uploading in 1080p, right? But this is how essentially you upload videos with high quality on YouTube. For more tips and tricks like this, guys, subscribe and come back for more.